Penn National Gaming and bring in the man himself, Barstool Sports founder. His name is Dave Portnoy, in case you didn't know. You got a connection to Penn National. Okay, we know that. You're launching this Barstool Sportsbook in time for March Madness. Tell me more. I'm interested.
Yeah, so we're live currently already in Michigan and Pennsylvania. I am in Chicago. We go live tomorrow in Illinois. It'll be our third state tomorrow at noon. And by the way, Abby was just very nice to you, Stuart, because the brackets don't come out yet. So she can't fill out a bracket because they don't come out till next week. She was nice to you.
She was, actually.
And I know you don't know basketball. You're a soccer guy. So she just bit her tongue and ranted. But the brackets aren't out, Stuart.
Oh, what a guy, Portnoy. All right. But wait a second. I don't understand what you mean here. You're doing with Penn National Gaming. You got this sports book. You're into 3 states. So what? What does that mean? How do I take part in this?
Well, so sports gambling is like marijuana. Each state, it's a state issue, and it's legalized state by state. It's not federal. Now, it is legal in Illinois, so as states become legal, the Barstool Sportsbook, that's the name of it, we roll it out, and then we conquer whatever state we're in, because unlike a lot of our competitors, people care about us, and they want to follow along with the action. So it's not up to us. I wish every state it was legal, but it is a state issue, not a federal issue.
But it is going to expand, that's for sure. Hey, Dave,
of course, they need the tax revenue. Yeah, they need the tax revenue.
It's like you're quite right. It's like marijuana, exactly the same thing. They need the state tax revenue, and they're going to get it somehow or other. You see GameStop here, up $72, 29%, 318. Are you still in it, or did you sell out completely?
No, I'm not in it, Stuart, and it pains me to watch it because, you know, I had paper hands. I keep saying it, and they remind me. I wish I held it. I didn't hold it, and it goes up a bazillion% every day, and I just sit with buyer's remorse and have FOMO and wish I had it, but I don't.
You're an honest man, Dave. Tell me about Ford. Ford Motor Company is one of the biggest holdings in your ETF buzz, and you hold... That's not the kind of stock that I associate Dave Portnoy with. Ford Motor Company?
Well, yeah. Well, I have a Ford Bronco, 1970 Ford Bronco. It doesn't really run. But no, and that's a misnomer about the ETF. The ETF isn't just what you would think of high-flying internet stocks. They're real companies. It's just the most positively talked about on the internet. So that's been lost a little bit. But the internet talks about all companies. It talks about traditional companies like Ford, or it'll talk about, GameStop. It talks about everything in between. People like to talk about the stock market, not just what people perceive as internet stocks, but real companies. Ford being a perfect example. It's a number. Ford, Twitter, Penn, those are all stocks that are big in our holding of the ETF. So it's a wide range. Okay.
I'll bet you really drive a Bentley, don't you?
I don't drive a Bentley. I'm not a car guy. I just told you. I have a 1970 Ford Bronco. It's yellow. It's pretty as a picture. It looks like it belongs in a painting, but it just doesn't run.
Okay. All right. I'm going to leave that subject. I'm going to move on to pizza. As you know, you did this. Your pizza review saved a New Jersey restaurant. Your one-bite review of these pizzas gives you real power. How did you get so much power and leverage from pizza reviews? How do you do that?
Well, it was organic, the growth. I've been doing it for 4 years, Monday through Friday, a new place every day. And unlike a lot of reviews, a lot of review places will say this place is great, that place is great, everything's great. I will say if a place is bad, but I'll also say if it's good, and I'm very stingy with my scores. So if a pizza place gets an 8 or higher, that means it's unbelievable. That means you got to get in your car, drive hours to taste it if you like pizza. And because of it, slowly but surely, I became a very credible, I would say the most credible pizza aficionado in the world.
Don't be shy, Portnoy. I mean, Portnoy, you really are a success, and I'm as jealous as hell. But I really think you belong in a Bentley. Whether you agree with me or not, you belong in a Bentley.
Yeah, Bentley's
Yes,
not
you do.
necessarily my
Yes, you do.
speed. I'm not a Bentley guy. If they want to give me a free Bentley, I'll try it out, Bentley people, but that's not really my vibe.
They're driving one to you right now, Portnoy, because you're that famous and that powerful. Come back soon, sir. We appreciate you being on every time.
All
Good
right.
luck, fella.
Thank you. Appreciate it.